Hello and welcome to the Cricket Opinion. Today we'll be discussing about whether during a test series the visiting team should be given the advantage of choosing whether to bat or bowl first according to the conditions of the place. As we have so often seen, visiting teams who travel abroad lose the toss, have a really poor performance as opposed to the home teams who take whatever little advantage was there for the visiting team after winning the toss. A lot depends on the host nation who tailor make the surfaces and the pitch conditions according to their advantages. But there's a flip side to it as well. When Australia toured India in early 2017 for a test series, the match in Pune was created for a spin heavy pitch, and the pitch curators expected the likes of Jadeja and Ashwin to really exploit the conditions. But what was unexpected that Australian off spinner Steve O'Keefe really spun a web across the Indian batsmen, which led to an Australian victory in Indian soil. There have been more such instances when the tactics of the hosts have backfired. Like when India travelled to South Africa in early 2018, the Johannesburg test was made a green top for the Pacers to enjoy, a tactic that would help the South Africans. But as a result, the Indian Pacers also had a really good time, and as a result, India won that test. Yet another example is when India travelled to England in August 2018 for a 5-match test series. The end score of 4-1 is not an appropriate indicator of how closely all the test matches were played. In the third test played at Nottingham, as usual, the England people, they had made all the pitches for swing seam conditions that Indians have traditionally not done well. But in the third match, the Indian Pacers came well and gave India the victory. But in all these cases, it was the Indian team who has done well in away conditions. To expect the same for other teams is a bit too much to ask. For example, Faf du Plessis and his men were annihilated when Proteas visited the Indian subcontinent in October 2019. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Mayank Agarwal, each of them scored double centuries in what was a 3-0 whitewash against the Proteas. Faf du Plessis had lost all the tosses. So, beginning to conclude the point that I am trying to make over here is that in these times when all industries and businesses need to have a constant innovation in order to thrive in these times of high obsolescence rate, cricket might well use this new thing of removing the toss and giving the edge to the visiting teams. Purists of the game would say that it's not really wise to tinker with a custom or tradition or a rule of the game that's been official for close to more than 140 years now. But if there's a chance that this would help revive test viewership across the globe or even help other teams to participate, then we might as well take the shot. That's all I'd like to say so far in this getting rid of the toss conundrum that many people have stated so far. If you have something to add to or anything else to add to this argument, please let me know in the comment section below. And in case you were wondering what are these balloons about, I just turned 20 a week ago, and this is what my sister had done as part of her decoration. Don't forget to check out my official website, the www.cricketopinion.com. Follow me on my Instagram, and please do subscribe, like and share. Until the next time, thank you very much. Goodbye.